all hail the golden stool, soul of a nation, sacred and true. All hail the golden stool. From scattered clans, one people grew.
Then came Moses, chosen by fate, and a knocking priest who spoke to the great. From the skies it fell, not touched by man, the golden stool, the soul of the land.
In that stool we stood, in that stool we stayed, united yesterday, united today. One blood, one voice, one destiny, bound by spirit, bound by history. All hail the golden stool, the bond that time can never undo. All hail the golden stool, the heart of a sentiment beating through. It unified the clans, it ended the divide. One language spoken, far and wide. Different roots, but one great name. One tradition, one sacred flame. Autumn fuel sits, ordained by law, custodian of stew, people and soul.